Hi everyone. This is our Rube Goldberg project. It started with a Hot Wheels car going down a track. It bumped this switch, turning on the conveyor belt. The marble went down the track, landed in a net. The net popped up and hit a counterweight, which knocked over a bunch of dominoes. That then hit another Hot Wheels car that hit this very weight sitting on a button, turned the fan on. The fan then blew. I don't know what you would call this, but we'll call it a sailboat, which knocked this hammer down, cutting the wire, which was holding back another domino weight, that then propelled a car through the machine, all the way through a tube, knocking more dominoes over, hitting one more Hot Wheel car, launching through another machine that shot it into the cereal, which poured it into the bowl. In the original design of our Rube Goldberg project, we wanted to include 5 wow factor steps, of which were a fan pushing an object down a track, a pulley system, a wire being cut holding a heavy object, a catapult, and a motor that would rotate the cereal box. We weren't able to get the catapult and the motor in. The catapult due to the fact that it wasn't consistent enough, and the motor was not put in because it didn't have enough torque to rotate the cereal box. But we were able to get the other 3, and we were able to get the machine running smoothly and efficiently.
Assessment and performance. Overall, we believe that this project was successful, and we're excited to see our overall design ideas go into action. The dominoes gave us a lot of difficulty at the beginning of the sequence. Therefore, this step was not as efficient as we were hoping. After passing this difficult step through, the flow of energy stayed constant throughout the rest of the sequence. All the other successful steps did what they were designed to do the first time around. Because of the domino mishap, it caused us to do 8 different trials before we were successful in pouring the bowl of cereal.
2 engineering constraints that affected our design were the length and width requirements and the requisite number of steps. In order to meet the requirements, we had to shorten the distances of the tracks. We also had some problems when we started building everything, as 2 of our switches would not work. These were the fan button and the switch system we were going to use for a pulley. Instead, we placed a metal bar on the fan button so that the weight of the car plus the metal bar would push the button down. We also built an alternative pulley system and did away with the other switch because it did not generate enough power.
Budget and resources. When we first started this project, we figured that our budget should be around $40 or about $10 a piece. Daniel already owned Legos, Connects, Hot Wheel cars and tracks, a conveyor belt, a net, a hammer, tape, and scissors. Therefore, we use these items for the bulk of the work. While working through the planning period, we made a list of things that we would need. These items included AA batteries, D batteries, fishing line, dominoes, an oscillating fan, cereal, and a cereal bowl. We finished this project clocked in with about a total of 19 hours, and our final cost added up to $23, bringing us below our budget by $17 total.